Hi guys, welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to evaluate this integral on the board. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabest online tutorial. So the given integral, we have integral of 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. We are going to integrate it with respect to x, and the limit is from -1 to +1. So let's get started solution. Remember, in integration, if you have x to the power of n, if you want to integrate this function, we're going to have what? X. Add 1 to the power of x, which is n plus 1, divided by the power, which is n plus 1. So this is how to integrate function. So we're going to apply this rule to this given integral. So we have what? Integral of what? The limit is -1 to +1, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then we are integrating with respect to x. Now what we are going to do, we are going to integrate it separately. So we are going to have what? When we open bracket, the integral of 3x squared is going to be what? 3x, then we add 1 to the power, which is 2 plus 1, over the power, which is 2 plus 1. Then plus, if you integrate to x, we are going to add, remember x is raised to the power of 1. So that 1, then we add 1 to the power divided by what? The power. Then plus, integration of constants is the same as using x to multiply by 1 is going to give us x. Therefore, integral of 1 with respect to x is going to be x. Then we close bracket, and the limit is what? From -1 to +1. Now the next thing we're going to do is to simplify this expression. We're going to have what? 3x to the power of 3, because 2 plus 1 is the same as 3, divided by what? 2 plus 3 is going to give us 3. 2 plus 1 is going to give us 3. Then plus 2x to the power of 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2, over what? 1 plus 1, which is the same as 2. Then plus x. Then close bracket, and the limit is from -1 to +1. Now this 3 is going to cancel this 3. This 2 is going to cancel out this 2. We're left with what? X to power 3 plus what? X to power 2, then plus x in the bracket. Then the limit is from -1 to +1. Now the next thing we're going to do is to substitute the limit. But remember, we're going to start from the upper bound or upper limit. So if you substitute 1 here, we're going to have what? 1 cube, then plus, put 1 here, we're going to have 1 square, then plus, if you put 1 here, it's going to be 1. Then minus, then we are going to substitute the lower limit. So we are going to have what? -1 raised to the power of 3, then plus -1 raised to the power of 2, then plus what? -1. So now we're going to simplify the expression. 1 cube is the same as 1, 1 square is the same as 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 plus 1 is going to give us 2. Then minus, open bracket, -1 raised to the power of 3. Remember, a -1 raised to the power of odd number, the result is going to give us -1. So I'm going to have what? -1, then plus -1 raised to the power of even number. You may press calculator, -1 squared, calculator will give you -1. But -1 raised to the power of even number, the result is always positive. So -1 squared is the same as what? +1. Then plus and minus is the same as minus, then 1. Now we're going to have what? 3 minus -1 plus 1 is the same as this. -1 is going to cancel out this +1. So we are left with only -1 in the bracket. And 3 minus -1 is equal to 4, because minus minus is plus, and 3 plus 1 is the same as 4. So the evaluation of this integral is going to be 4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabest Online Tutorial. Thanks.